Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 3, Week 6, Day 4. Our topic for today is what happens when light passes through colored transparent materials. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Activating prior knowledge.
Activating prior knowledge. What happens when you wear sunshades with these tinted glasses? What will they see? Wearing tinted or sunglasses. When you wear sunglasses with colored or tinted lenses, the light that enters your eyes is reduced and sometimes changes color depending on the tint. What you will see. Objects appear darker because less light passes through. Colors may change slightly. For example, red tinted glasses make things look reddish. Blue tinted glasses make things look bluish. Bright sunlight is less harsh so your eyes feel comfortable. Some details may be harder to see in dim light because tinted lenses block some light. Tinted lenses absorb some light and filter colors, letting only certain colors pass through. What about colored sunglasses? What will you see if you wear these? Colored sunglasses are usually tinted, which means they filter the light that passes through them. Objects may look darker, less light came through. Objects may appear to have a slight color tint depending on the color of the sunglasses. The tinted lenses absorb some light and allow certain colors to pass through. They don't completely block all light, but they change the way you see colors. Lesson Purpose Intention. In today's lesson, you will observe what happens to light when it passes through different colored transparent materials. Lesson Language Practice. Everybody will going to read the lesson language practice. Reading the key idea stem. Activity 4. What happens when light passes through colored transparent materials? Number 1. Tell the learners to read the activity title and objectives out loud. Number 2. Explain that they will observe what happens when light passes through colored translucent materials. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Number 1. Tell the learners to do step 1. They will shine the flashlight on a white wall and answer the guide question 1. What is the color of the light from the flashlight that you observe on the wall? Correct, it is white. What is the color of sunlight? The learners will usually answer yellow. Explain that sunlight is white and that it looks yellow because it has to pass through the sky. Tell the learners to do step 2 and 3. They will predict the color, if any, that they will see if they shine the flashlight at different colored cellophanes. Allow the learners to color the circle of their predicted color in the table. Ask the learners to share their prediction and explain their answers. Here are the predicted colors and explanations. Tell the learners to do step 4 to 11. They will now test their predictions. Ask the learners to answer guide question 2. Which of your predictions were correct? The answer may vary. Which of your predictions were correct? Answer may vary depending on which learner's prediction. Correct predictions are the ones where the color they predicted matches the actual colors seen through the colored cellophane. Encourage learner to explain why their prediction was correct. For example, I predicted red and I saw red because the red cellophane only lets red light pass through. I predicted blue and I saw blue because the blue cellophane blocks other colors. 12. Ask the learners to answer guide question 3 to 5. Question 3. Was the color of light that passed through each colored cellophane different from that of the flashlight? If yes, how are they different? Yes, the light from the flashlight is white and the light on the wall is the same color as the colored cellophane. Was the color of the light that passed through each colored cellophane the same as the color of the cellophane? The answer is yes. What will you observe if you change the cellophane to green or orange? If we change the cellophane to green, the light on the wall will be colored green. Same with orange cellophane. The light that passes through will be colored orange. Deepening understanding of the key idea STEM. Tell the learners that white light is composed of different colors. Tell the learners we sometimes see all the colors that make up white light when we see a rainbow. The light from the flashlight is similar to that of the sun. It is also composed of different colors. Tell the learners to recall what they observed when the flashlight shined on the red cellophane. They observed that the light that passed through was colored red. What happened to the other colors of the light? The other colors did not pass through the cellophane or they were blocked. What happens when light hits a colored translucent materials like the cellophane? When light hits a colored cellophane, the light that passes through has the same color as the cellophane. Tell the learners that the cellophane acts like a filter of light, allowing only one color of light to pass through. This is similar to sunglasses, which filter the light that passes through them and reaches our eyes. Making generalization and abstraction. When light passes through colored sunglasses, only the color of the sunglasses is allowed to pass through. This happens because the colored lenses act as filters. They block other colors of light and let their own color pass. Example, red sunglasses, red light pass through. Blue sunglasses, blue light passes through. Green sunglasses, green light passes through. Therefore, the color you see through tinted sunglasses is the same color as the tint of the lenses. Evaluating learning. Direction. Read each statement and identify if it is true or false. Here are the correct answer.
Great job today, everyone! You listened well, shared your thoughts, and worked hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read, learn, observe, and have fun. See you next time!